Hey everybody, Albert Leonardo here. Let's talk about Facebook Pixel. So when you have visitors coming to your site, out of 100%, the chance that they convert is only 3%. Convert can mean sign up to your opt-in list or purchase your product. But the 97% of them will leave. Now the question is, who are those people who convert and who leave, right? And then what to do with the visitors who did not convert. It would be great if we can retarget them, right? Now, regarding who your visitors are, we know that Facebook has a large database of users. Facebook has a lot of information about their age, gender, location, behavior, and interests. And then the people who come to your website, you wish that you know the same information, right? Because they will not give you as detailed as this. They might give you their phone number, their email address, but they won't tell you their interest, they won't tell you their age. Right now you wish that you can leverage, you can use the information on Facebook database to know more about your audience. Right now the question is, can Facebook help you identify them? Yes, Facebook can do that. Right, but Facebook needs you to put your Facebook pixel code on your website so that Facebook can match the people who visit a website with the people in the Facebook database. If your audience are logging in with the Facebook and then visit your site, Facebook can help you recognize them and can provide you with the data here. Of course, Facebook won't tell you, for example, Mr. James is 47 years old. No, it doesn't work that way. In fact, you need at least 1,000 visitors in custom audience for you to be able to put it into Audience Insight to analyze your audience. Because Facebook also needs to take care of its user privacy, right? I will explain what pixel code in a minute, but for now, you know that you need to embed a pixel code on your website for the Facebook to help you with your audience data. Now, once you have the pixel code inserted in your site, you can create custom audience out of your website visitors, which then you can retarget them with ad, right? Because to answer this question, what to do with the visitors who did not convert, right? We can create ad to retarget them, to bring them back to your website. And then another thing is that you can learn about them. You can know about their age, their gender, their interest, their behavior in using the Facebook Audience Insight. Let me show you an example. Right, this is an example of my website visitors, and you learn how to create custom audience in the custom audience module. Right, but for now, I want to show you that this is the data that Facebook can provide you with once you create your custom audience of your website visitors. You see, you can tell from the visitors, all right, out of 2,600 visitors, 60% of them are women, right? And then you can tell the age range here, and their lifestyle, and then their relationship status, job title. All right, it's amazing that you can access a lot of information that your audience won't give you by just visiting your site, right? So this is the importance of creating custom audience. And in order to be able to create custom audience of your website visitors, you need to embed pixel code in your site. Alright, so pixel can be used for three main functions. This is the one that we are discussing, which is building custom audience from your website visitors for the purpose of retargeting. And then you can use it to track conversions and attribute them back to your ads, and then optimize ad for conversion. Let's talk about the first one. Right, so what is a Facebook pixel? It is a code that is embedded on your web page. As simple as that. So this is a code provided by Facebook that one ad account has one pixel ID. Right, so the code looks like this, where you have the base code and you have the standard event code. Right, let me show you how to access your pixel code in your Facebook account. So you can go to here and select Assets. You can choose the pixels. So you will see your pixel ID here. Alright, so this is your pixel ID, and then where is your pixel code? You can access here, actions, and view pixel code. Right? This is the code that you will need to copy and then embed on your web page. So this is basically the base code. Alright? So this is the base code here. Right? I'll talk about standard event code later. Now that you know this is the Facebook pixel code that you need to embed, now the question is how to embed it on your web page. Right? You need to copy this code and then paste it between the head tag in your website code. Right? Let me show you an example. I know it will sound a bit technical here. If you don't know how to do it, you can hire people to do it. It's very easy to hire people to install Pixel on your web page, but you need to know the concept behind it. Okay, so how to embed your Pixel code in your web page. If you look into the HTML of your page, you will find there's a head tag here, right? The opening tag and the closing tag. And after the head tag, there are others website code. So right before the closing tag, you put your pixel code. All right, let me show you an example. For example, this is your website, and let's look into the page source. Now see, this is HTML code, right? This is the head tag, and let's find the closing head tag, which is here. All right, right before this, all right, between this and this, you put your pixel code. Right, you put your pixel base code, you copy this, and then you paste it here. This is how you install your Facebook pixel code. And you need to do this, you need to embed your pixel code in every of your website page, so that whichever page your audience coming to, Facebook will be able to track them, right? And then you can create a custom audience out of every page. Because when you install the Facebook pixel in every page, Facebook will be able to record every visitors that come to your page. And then you can get the information from the pixel data stored into your ad account to create custom audience based on which page you want to create it from. Now I know what you think. You think it would be tedious to do this to every page you create, right? Now fortunately, a lot of platforms support Facebook Pixel nowadays, that they create an interface for you to just copy your base code once, and then every time you create a new page, it will be embedded automatically to those pages. Some platform even allows you to just copy a pixel ID here, and they will take care of the rest. Alright, so this is how you embed your pixel code on your page. Next, you need to verify whether the Facebook pixel is placed and working correctly. So you can use the Facebook Pixel Helper. So it's an extension for Chrome browser. You can search it in Google, Facebook Pixel Helper. Alright. You just install it on your browser, and then this symbol will show here. Right, let's look into this page. Seems like the owner doesn't install Pixel on his site. Let's look into, for example, digitalmarketer.com. And Facebook Pixel Helper will help you check whether the code is installed properly. So this is it, you see? This is a page view. It's the same as what is shown here, right? This page view. Right, so this is the base code. The second function of Pixel is to track conversions that happen on your website and attribute them back to your ads. So the conversion here means that it offset conversions, which means that the conversion that doesn't happen in the Facebook, but it happens on your website. So Facebook need the pixel embedded in your page, in your web page, in order to be able to track them. And then in the report, Facebook can tell you which ad causes the conversion.